Welcome guys. So in this video you will learn how to use the investing.com app to make money from the forex markets. I'm teaching you guys how to use everything about it. Normally in the forex market we have three kinds of trading analysis. We have the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, and the sentimental analysis using the commitment of traders reports and other tools. So but in today's video I'm showing you guys how to use that is just fundamental analysis using investing.com and my news straddling strategy I use in trading the markets using the investing.com app. So today's video is just more practical. Let's move straight to the guys. The first thing you have to do here is to head over to your Play Store of your Play Store. For those of you using Android phones, so once you get to Play Store, you click on the search button and you search for investing.com. Okay, as you can see it, yeah, investing.com as it. So once it loads, you can see it here, right here. Mine is writing open because I've already installed it. I have it in my phone already. So for you guys, you just install it, and once you install, you open. Immediately you open it, here's what it looks like. All what you are seeing here are just trading instruments. There are many things to do in the app here. So you can check news if you really want to watch news of real market that can help you make trading decisions in the forex market. All the news are here. You can just go deep to do your own personal research about these things. You understand? This here you get more trading ideas. But for the sake of this video, I'm teaching you guys how me personally use the investing.com app to to make money. That is to give me an edge to make money in the forex market. So the place I will be focusing on in this video right now is this place right here. That place they write more. So what you do, you click on that place. When you click it, you will see something like this. You understand? So the next place you click on, you go to calendars. That's the next place you click on. Once you click on calendars, you see something like this. All these things you are seeing here are news in the forex market that will trade in the forex market. You understand? So what you see here is news of nations. You can see this one: Australian dollars, unemployment rates, these are news. You understand? And what you see here, if you watch here, right here, if you look in all these places, you will discover that some of them have two bulls, one bull, and some have three bulls, and something like that. So what this thing represents is that these ones that have two bulls are medium impact. That is news that may likely move well, but will not move well. You understand? So here's what to do, because you don't want to trade everything, because not every news is an high impact news that you can use to trade and make money in the market. So the first thing you do, you go to this place right here, that thing that look like funnel there. So once you click on there, you can see, then you go here, right here where they write custom. So once you click on custom, you pick only the countries you want to trade their news. I don't need Austria. I trade the Australian dollars, as in the Australian dollars. So you just unclick all the countries that you don't trade. Unclick them. I don't need Belgium. We'll keep scrolling. Eurozone, we need it. I don't need France. I don't trade their currency. I don't need India. I don't trade their currency. I need Japan. We trade JPY. I don't need Nigeria. I don't trade Nigerian currency. So Singapore. Let me leave it. I trade SGD, Singaporean dollar sometimes. So this is Spain. You click on it. So you pick all the countries you click. Then when you click it, you go back. So the news you have is only news from these countries that is highlighted there. And also here, right here, you can see low, medium, high. Move straight and click on all this medium. Leave only high impact news, because this is how we're gonna make the money in the markets. You'll be trading only high impact news and not all high. I'll be teaching you two guys news I trade using this investing.com. We have some other apps like Forex Factory. and all others. But I feel investing.com is the best because it carries more analysis, more details than all other platforms. So once you click on it, you can see only high impact. So let's go back. Have you seen? All the news has been filtered out. Only high impact news. These are the news that will be here right now. And these are the news we'll be trading. We'll be using to make money from the forex market using this app. So first thing, as you can see here, right here is the Switzerland franc. The Switzerland franc. So this the interest rates, right? So you click on it. As you can see, these are the data for these things. All these things are just the forecast. You see, this is what we call as in part of fundamental analysis. Trading is not all about technical. Fundamental analysis also is the major thing that drives the market. And when these things happen, it doesn't give attention to what your technical and your trend line and your Bollinger Band and other things, whatever they are doing. We pay attention to all these data because these are fundamental indicators. Understand? So as you can see, this thing show you see the Switzerland National Bank governing board comes to a consensus on where to set the target range for the rates. Traders watch interest rate changes closely as short-term interest rates are the primary factor in currency valuation. Watch here now. Pay attention to this place. This place I just circled. A higher than expected rate is positive or bullish for the CHF, while a lower than expected rate is negative or bearish for the CHF. Negative means the currency will be weakened, while positive means the currency is going to strengthen. So here the thing comes now. Let me show you guys how I use this thing. It's in my trading, my new straddling strategy. So let's go straight to it now. So as you can see right here now, are high impact news. So let's take, for instance, I want to trade the US dollar initial job claims, which means this particular one right here. I want to trade this news. So this news is by 1:30. I'm in Nigeria and I'm a Nigerian. So 1:30 Nigerian time, because investing.com sets your time in your country's time zone. So this 1:30, I'm in Nigerian, I'm a Nigerian. So 1:30 Nigerian time. This particular strategy deals with time of the news. So there is a website I call time.is you use. So you head over to your Chrome. You can just head over to your Chrome browser and you just type time.is. You understand? I've already typed it. So as you can see right here, this time.is. So 5 minutes, or let's say 4 minutes before the news is released, what do you have to do? I move straight to my MetaTrader 5. That is what I do. Or my MT for my trading platform. I don't know, maybe I use Match Trader or MT5, any of my trading platform. So, but for this video, let me just use MT4. What I do is this. For instance, now here is the current price. I use GBP USD for most USD use because it's the one that happens to be the most effective. So what I do is I place a buy stop order 12 pips. That is why you need to know how to calculate pips. Although there are sites like Lionheart pips calculator you can use. But I just place my order 12 pips because sometimes the market can be fast. 12 pips above the current price. I place a buy stop order and I place a stop loss at the current price. Then I place a sell stop also here and place a stop loss at the current price. Let me just give a practical example of what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do here is this. What is the current price? Let's say 1.29679. I move my stop, my entry price will be at, okay, let me just put it 10 pips above it. Okay, that should be around 1.29778, 1.2978. So buy stop price 1.2978, then stop loss just 10 pips 1.2978. 0.68. Then take profit. I usually go for most time 1:4 for high impact news only. 1:4. So that's it. As you can see, this is a buy stop order, and I usually use 1:4 most time. Then the same thing again, I place a sell stop also and place a stop loss above that level. So guys, if I want to place my sell stop order, I place my sell stop order, I click here also, click here, then sell stop 1.2958, and the stop loss is at 1.2968. I place it. Right now you can see it here. So since I'm going for 1:4, my risk to reward is 1:4. So what I do is this. Here's how I calculate my pips. I go to my calculator. I look for the entry price 1.2958. So what do I do? 1.2958. Since this for the sell stop minus 0.004, 1.2918. So I modify the order. Let this load. 1.29 1.291818. Click on modify. So as you can see right here, I'm going for 1:4. This is my TP. Then for my take profits, I should be going for my buy stop order 1.2978. 1.2978 plus 0.004, 1.3018. And 1.3018. Modify. So guys, as you can see, this is how it plays. So anyone that triggers, it's a matter of seconds. The markets can just hit the TP in less than 5 seconds. That is how the strategy works for very high impact news. This is just a practical example of how I do it. And you just have to backtest this strategy for like 6 months to 1 year. So after you've gone through all these things using the investing, you look for the high impact news, the ones that actually move the market the most. Try this thing over and over and over again. Then you can build your edge in the market doing these things. You can actually build your edge in your market doing all these things. That's it.